U.S. Army builds fighter field in Okinawa. United States Marines are building a new fighter field in Okinawa, Japan. This field will be built on an area of 100 hectares and will accommodate up to 20 fighter aircraft. The construction of this field uses various heavy equipment, including bulldozers, graders, and excavators. This heavy equipment is used to level the ground, build runways, and make aprons for planes. Construction of this field began in August 2023 and is scheduled for completion in February 2024. This field will be used for training and military operations for the United States Marines. Heavy equipment used. The following is some of the heavy equipment used to build the United States Marine fighter field in Okinawa. Bulldozer. Bulldozers are used to level land and create runways. Grader. Graders are used to level the soil and create a smooth surface. Excavator. Excavators are used to dig soil and create trenches. Vibrator. Vibrators are used to compact the soil. Roller. Rollers are used to compact the soil. Project complexity. The construction of a United States Marine fighter field on Okinawa was a complex project. This project required careful planning and execution to ensure that the field met safety and operations standards. One of the main challenges in this project is the condition of the land in Okinawa. The soil in Okinawa consists mostly of limestone, which can be difficult to compact. Another challenge is the location of the field, which is close to residential areas. United States Marines had to work closely with the Japanese government to ensure that construction of the field did not disturb the local population. Benefits of fighter fields. A new fighter field on Okinawa will benefit United States Marine troops. This field will be used for training and military operations, which will help Marine troops stay combat ready. This field will also increase the Marine Force's ability to operate in the Asia-Pacific region. The field will give Marines more space to land and take off fighter aircraft. Okinawan citizens' response. The construction of a new fighter field on Okinawa has elicited mixed responses from Okinawans. Several residents welcomed the construction of this field because they believed that this field would provide benefits to Okinawa's economy. However, several other residents opposed the construction of this field because they are worried that this field will have a negative impact on the environment and society. The Japanese government and United States Marine Forces have attempted to address the concerns of Okinawans. They have committed to reducing the negative impacts of the construction of this field. Conclusion. The construction of a new fighter field on Okinawa is an important project for the United States Marines. This field will provide benefits for Marine troops in terms of training and military operations. However, the construction of this field also raises challenges and controversy. The Japanese government and United States Marines will continue to work closely with the people of Okinawa to ensure that construction of this field runs smoothly and does not cause negative impacts.